Hello everyone. Today I am talking about the forgotten organ of the body, also called as the second brain. Yes, some of you might have guessed it right. I am talking about the gut. Whenever we say we have this gut feeling, butterflies in my stomach, you can easily relate that gut is related to brain. When we get scared, when we are petrified, we run to the washroom. It is true that our brain has direct connection with our gut. Yes. So today I am talking about the gut, the gastrointestinal tract, GIT, and its importance, and especially I want to touch upon the privilege of having good bacteria in our system. The gut bacteria, the gut bioflora, also called as bacterial biota. What is this good bacteria which is there inside us? Secondly, why is it so important for us? Thirdly, how to know that we don't have enough of them? The last one and the most important one is how to make sure we have enough good bacteria for leading a healthy and a happy life. So first things first, what is this gut bacteria? Gut bacteria are good bacteria which are having symbiotic relationship with our immunity. That means they are present in us starting from the esophagus till our rectum. We have around 300 to 500 species of them and they are in millions within us. Total number of gut bacteria in us is more than the number of cells in our body. They are not only bacteria, they are fungi, they are viruses, they are varieties of species other than bacteria too. When the baby is born, it is devoid of any kind of bacteria. The first gut bacteria develops is from the breastfeeding. So they are our companions in our journey as we age, as we fall sick, as we grow up, throughout our journey of life. They are non-harming bacteria which will protect us from the outside pathogens. There are many advantages of having this good bacteria in our gut. They are there in our system and we need them as much as they need us. So, in what way these gut bacteria or bioflora helps us? They are in symbiotic relationship with our immune system. They protect the intestinal lining. They help to metabolize the carbohydrates, the proteins and the fats in our intestine. They help us to fight against the foreign pathogens. They help to maintain good mood, sleep, and also to digest the drugs, that is the medicines. Do you know that disturbed sleep can be due to the disturbances in the gut bioflora? Do you know that obesity might be due to the disturbances in the gut bioflora? Do you know that some of the autoimmune diseases are connected to the gut? Your sleeplessness, your anxiety, the depression, your weight gain, memory loss can be connected to the gut. What are the signs of an unhealthy gut bioflora? Number 1, upset stomach. If all the time we are suffering from belching, indigestion, gas trouble, then our gut bioflora is not normal. If you always crave for sugar, always want to eat something sweet, that also shows that our bioflora is not normal. Sudden weight change, weight gain or weight loss may also be due to the change in the composition of the bioflora. Skin irritation, very common. Any kind of acne or rashes or allergies. The autoimmune conditions also may be because of the damaged gut bioflora. Food intolerance. Certain kind of food, if it is causing abdominal pain or irritation, I'm not talking about food allergies, I'm talking about food intolerance. Certain kind of food you are not able to digest anymore. might be due to the disturbances in the gut bioflora. The mood swings, the anxiety, the depression, even certain signs of schizophrenia, autism, Parkinson's disease might arise due to the disturbances in the gut bioflora. Sleep disturbances is also because the serotonin, that is our mood and sleep hormone, is released in the intestine with the help of these good bacteria. So if there is disturbance in serotonin, naturally our mood will not be good, we will not get good sleep. How to maintain a healthy and diverse bioflora? More the variety of food we take in, the bioflora diversity also increases. We will have more and more species of them growing in us which are ready to digest and assimilate and metabolize whatever we eat, wherever we go. More the variety, it's better. We take variety of food depending on the season, depending on the locality where we stay, and depending upon the kind of culture we live in. So summer, eat a different variety of food. Winter, eat a different variety of food. A rainy season, it's a different variety of food. So having different food, let's say we have 3 meals a day. Let's have different food 3 times. We have 7 days a week. Let's not stick to only one kind of food every night. Let's have a different kind of food, different grain, a different legume, a different vegetable, different fruits. Using more of prebiotics and probiotics. Fermented foods are the best for them. Some people even eat rice fermented water. True, they are rich in probiotics. We can have all the kind of fermented things like curd, buttermilk, yogurt, our own very own idli, dosa, appam. Prebiotics like banana, garlic, whole grains, fruits, lentils. Manage and reduce stress. Involve in yoga, meditation, stretching, breathing exercises, which will reduce the stress level. Drink enough water and avoid the food that is rich in sugar. Foods which are high in fiber content also improve the gut bacteria health. Very important thing is eating slowly, as I have already discussed in one of my previous video. Why our bioflora is changing, or how, in what way we are damaging our gut bacteria. Very commonly, we have started eating less variety of food. So everyday chapati. You like dosa? Okay, morning, afternoon, night, dosa only. You like curd rice? Okay, fine, eat only curd rice. You like paratha? Okay, 3 times, 6 days a week, 7 days a week, only paratha. So where is the variety? Only when there is variety in our plate, there is variety in the bioflora, and more number of species will develop within us. Number 2, for each and every small problems, we started taking broad spectrum antibiotics. So broad spectrum antibiotics are those which kill all the bacteria irrespective of whether they are good or bad. Though some of the bacteria may grow back again with our food or with time, but all of them we cannot generate back. These bacteria have been developed from the day we are born, from the day since our childhood till we reach adulthood, and we keep on adding different species with the type of food, with the type of culture that we live in. And suddenly one day you start taking antibiotics and you kill all of them, and you want to regenerate them back in less time. It's not going to be possible. Number 3, we start taking too much of stress. So more stress means less good bacteria. We don't have time to eat slowly. We just gulp it down. So when we gulp down more, that means we should understand that intestine doesn't have teeth. So the digestion will not happen, the assimilation will not happen, the bacteria will not get the variety of nutrients it's supposed to get, and finally they don't flourish. Number 4, we drink less water because of whatever problems it is. It's become habitual to drink less water, which also causes this bacteria not to grow and flourish. Then sometimes we undergo some procedures like colonoscopy or enema or we have to empty our GIT completely. And such detox systems or enemas will flush away everything, including our debris or dirt, whatever is there in the intestine, and the good bacteria also. And it is going to take a lot of time for the regeneration of such bacteria back into the same amount and the variety of species. So frequent enemas which will force our gut to empty completely should be avoided. Another very important thing is we started eating too much of sugar in our diet. The breads, the buns, the biscuits, the cookies, everything, the toffees, the candies, the pastries, everything has sugar content. The drinks, the carbonated drinks, everything has high sugar content. Wherever there is high sugar, the bacteria cannot grow. Let's make the life simple. Eat good, eat variety, keep the stress levels low, sleep properly. I want to conclude that these are good bacteria which are there in our system. More the species, more the variety, better. We can digest and we can adjust to all kind of environment and food. They not only protect the intestine, they also fight the pathogens. They not only digest the food, they also digest the drugs and medicines that we take. They protect the intestinal lining from inflammations. They protect us. They improve our immunity. They improve our mood. They improve our overall health. They are required for our normal and healthy life. Hope this video helps to get some information about the forgotten organ of the body, also called as the second brain. Bye-bye.